हांव एम्प्लॉईज आमचे कामदार जे आसात तांकां सगळ्यांक इफेक्ट जातलो सिन्स आवर वेज रिविजन स्केल इज नॉट बीन इम्प्लिमेंटेड आमच्या कामदारांक खूब त्रास जाता आनी अशें हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता हे NGOs आमचे एगेन्स्ट आसता तांकां अशें आमचे पोटार आड येना जावच्या अशी परिस्थिती आयली जाल्यार आमकां एक स्टेप घेवन आमकां सगळ्यांक रस्त्यार येवचें पडटलें देखून आय रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द NGOs आनी हे जे कोलाचे हे कोताय वी आर ऑल्सो ऑब्जेक्टिंग कोल वी आर नॉट सेइंग वी डोंट वांट पोल्यूशन बट वी वांट कोल because our MPD employees and all the pensioners we have to survive. If this poll is closed, I don't think next payment we will get our next payment also. Forget the implementation of the scale, but I think we will not get the new scale also. Because I एक खालती request करता आमचे NGO, please don't आमचे पोटार मान नाका. Let us survive.
It's an appeal going on to the Goa Pollution Control Board. Not impositions of handling the coal, because as our President Leonard said, after the mines, this is the only source of handling coal. We also oppose coal. We also oppose pollution, but we want to handle coal. NGOs, as a request to the NGOs going on, NGOs should also think this coal handling has been done over the period of years, more than a decade. And this is the only survival. As we said, 4,500 pensioners are scattered all over Goa, either by virtue of pension or family pension. And 1,600 odd employees, we are totally based on our salaries. If this, I humbly request the NGOs not to come on our way, not to come on our stomach, because if we stop coal, we will be having a big problem, big impact.
The second highest commodity which was being handled by Mormugao Port was coal. And without coal, with today's circumstances, without condition, we cannot just survive. There are 2 designated berths created specifically for handling of coal with proper scientific measures. And like earlier handling activities which were being handled at berth number 10 and 11, today, these activities are being carried out at number 6 and 7 with all the requisite precautions of handling coal loading. Today, there's no loading. Even if we want to load a truck, it is being loaded on mechanized. We see the press reports and everything. The targeted commodity is only coal. What our say is that why we have to switch over to coal. Main reason was due to closure of mining activity and as a result of decommissioning of our MOHP plant. Mainly, Mormugao Port was handling almost 50% of the total exports of this country, being a mono-commodity port. Pursuant to closure of mining and scrapping of our MOHP plant, which was 33 years old, we had no other option other to divert our commodities to elsewhere.